5 things that make Japan successful. Japan has seen a lot of troubles, faced a lot of voters since long ago, whether it was the rule of the dictator Tojo, the atom bomb disaster, tsunami, or the frequent earthquakes. The following points bring out why Japan has such a successful modern history and is a great inspiration for the world. Number 1. The spirit. The country has always put up bold and brave faces even in the worst of times, like after the atom bomb drop. The nation is famous for its precise about time and giving importance to managing time intelligently and productively. The young and the old alike carry a scheduled diary with them to plan their daily, monthly tasks and events and make sure to finish them all within the given time frame. It is a fact that the yearly delay of trains in Japan is on average about 7 seconds. This is proof of how precise and perfect the nation and its people are, making every nanosecond count and making the most of it. Number 3. Discipline. The country is a disciplined nation where the citizens respect and follow the rules and regulations, and honor the rule of the law. The people do not talk on phones on the train, help a differently abled person first, and do not litter in public places. These are the basic examples which reflect the sincerity among the people. All its citizens are keeping the country clean, bowing every time when greeting others, being soft-spoken, kindness towards others, helping nature, are the characteristics to reveal that the Japanese people are greatly polite, helpful and humble beings. Helping a tourist with language or directions, helping a differently abled person, respecting all other people, and beautiful use of irashimasu that means welcome in Japanese language. Arigato gozaimasu that means thank you in Japanese language, show that the smile on their faces and their voices are genuine, real, warming and very soothing. Number 5. No errors attitude. The aim for maximum efficiency and striving for 0 errors is extremely impressive. All the processes and systems in Japan are absolutely smooth and hassle-free. People and technology go hand in hand to ensure this level of perfection and precision in every field. Ensuring no error, mistake, defect, making every product or service of the top-notch quality. Motivating everyone to strive for best is a characteristic quality of the country Japan and its people. So the country Japan is being a living example of how a unity of the nation can lead it to the top in every field.